Okay, so let me pick up from where I have left last time. Here we have the tab of contacts, and contacts are the actual users that visit your website and have chatted with Chatbot. So whenever a new user access your website and open this window, it will the system will add a new contact here, and this contact is saved in browser-based cookie. So if someone enter the chatbot from another browser, it will save a new contact. Let me show you exactly how. A second. Here I did copy, then paste. Okay. So right now a new contact was added. If I refresh here, get back to the contacts page and refresh, I have a new contact. Here in last scene, I have less than 1 minute to go. So and also the creation date of the contact. Here if I try to access the chatbot from another browser, same thing. Hello. Let me, for example, make like 4 messages. Here I have 1, 2. This is the welcome message, then 1 message, 2, then okay, just a few seconds. Okay, so 4 messages. So I need to see here 4 messages exactly. So the list have the contact names and the channel. This one will be we'll have another channels that we are already adding to the chatbot, like WhatsApp and Telegram and Messenger, etc. But the basic one is web. It's like opening the chatbot inside your website. That's why we call it web. Okay, so the default name of each contact is guest, followed by the ID of the contact. If I open this one here, I'll find all the list of the messages, and the great thing here that it is updated in real time. So if you have this, you are the administrator of this chatbot, and you want to know in real time how your customers talk with the chatbot, you will see here. I'll show you an example. For example, message. Okay, you will hear a notification sound, then it will appear here. Okay, so what else? Here we have the first name, last name. Those are basic personal informations of the contact, and in other videos I will explain another other details about the contact. But first, let's for example call this one Smith. Let's save. We get back, have the same name. We can also change its photo. Great. And yeah, so in other videos in the future I will explain how to collect personal data from users and save them here. And yeah, what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Here you have the list of the contacts and all the basic informations. You can delete or edit the contact. Yeah, that's it. So for now, this is the basic explanation of this tab, and in the future I will dive deep into other advanced features related to the contacts. And thank you for watching.